This is the nitrogen cycle. Now, the first part of the nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation, which is when it converts N2 from the atmosphere and converts it to ammonia, NH3. In biotic and in abiotic, they convert N2 to nitrate, NO3. So this goes from N2 gas, and through biotic processes, plants, for example, go to NH3, and abiotic goes to N2, goes to NO3. Now the next part is called assimilation, and this is when the producers take up, the plants, they take up the NH3, or nitrate, NO3 minus, as created by the abiotic processes, and that's how producers get the nitrate, and nitrogen, and consumers take it through eating the producers, goes into consumers' teeth. Yay! It's a bear, don't judge me. Now the next one is ammonification, where decomposing soil and water break down biological nitrogen compounds into ammonium. So what other happens is basically when these, for example, die, or maybe plants are decomposing, they basically get the nutrients from them. It's little bacteria, right? And then they basically decompose dead animal. Now the next part is nitrification. Nitrification is basically when bacteria convert the ammonium into nitrate, and then into nitrite, and then into NO3 minus. That's basically bacteria converts this into different forms of NO2 and NO3. The last part is denitrification, which is basically a series of steps where the bacteria in oxygen-poor soil and standing water convert the nitrate into eventually nitrogen gas. So basically, this is the step, the bacteria. This is a step where they reconvert it back to N2, and that's how this whole cycle repeats again. So basically, to recap, the N2 changes from N2 to NH3 or NO3 minus, depending on whether it's an abiotic or biotic process, and the producers basically take up the ammonium or nitrate. Consumers get it from the producers, and then the decomposers break down any dead organisms or anything, nitrogen compounds, into ammonium. Nitrifying bacteria convert to NO3 eventually, and then denitrification is when they convert it back to N2 and release it back into the atmosphere.